Update the firmware of your FutureSmart 4 HP Enterprise printer from the control panel using a USB flash drive. Before you update your printer firmware, print a configuration page to view the firmware version currently installed on the printer. On your computer, open the drivers page for your printer at support.hp.com/drivers. Check the firmware version listed on the configuration page against the latest firmware listed on the drivers page to see if there's an updated version. If an updated version is available, download it to your computer. Insert a USB drive into a USB port on your computer. Save the downloaded firmware file to a USB flash drive and insert it into the USB port on your printer. On the home screen of the printer control panel, scroll to and select Support Tools. Select Maintenance. Select USB Firmware Upgrade. Select the updated firmware and then select Install. Select Upgrade. The installation might take several minutes. With the update complete, print a configuration page to verify the update installed correctly. Resume printing as normal with the updated printer firmware.